Hi babes, welcome back to today's video. In today's video I'll be showing you different foundation finishing and the tools in applying them. So we're going to start with a tinted moisturizer or a serum foundation. This type of foundation has lots of skincare benefits infused in it. It gives the skin a good hydration, and also it doesn't have any coverage at all, but you will definitely want to pick your skin tone shade when you are picking this type of foundation. So it is super easy to put on. When you're applying this, you apply it with your fingertips, so the heat in your hand will help you melt it into your skin really well. You don't need to apply with a beauty sponge. If you use a beauty sponge, it's going to soak out all the skincare benefits in it. So this type of foundation is ideal for a matured skin because it had that nice plump glow to the skin without giving any coverage, and any skin type can benefit from this, especially dry skin. But the thing with it is, if you have breakouts or blemishes on your skin, this is not the ideal foundation to use because it's going to expose everything you have on your skin. It's not going to cover anything. And also your skin needs to be well scrubbed so that this foundation can show its best finishing on you. If not, it's going to expose any form of textures, any form of flakiness on your skin. So the next one is going to be a medium foundation. So on one side I am using a brush. It's a round head fluffy brush, so I'm just using a circular motion. This type of technique is definitely for someone that the skin is well scrubbed, the skin is soft, and the skin is clear, like you don't have any blemishes on your skin. You just want to have that really nice satin finish texture of foundation. So this is what the brush will do when you use it like this. But on this side I am using a flat head brush. The flat head brush is very condensed, so it's going to pack a lot of that foundation on your skin, giving you very full coverage, medium to full coverage, like buildable coverage. Because I basically used the same foundation in this video, and look at what the other side of the face is giving me, and look at what this is giving me right now. So your tools also determines the finishing of your foundation. So if you have blemishes this side, you can go ahead and use a tapping motion. The other side with the swelling brush, you can go ahead and use a swelling brush if your skin is smooth. So the third one is going to be a full coverage foundation. Now for this part, I'm using a beauty sponge, a dab beauty sponge. I'm using it to carefully tap the product onto my skin. You can see how it's giving me like a good, beautiful coverage on my skin, and my skin looks really nice, and it's giving me a certain finishing. So on the other side of my face, I am going to be using the puff. That's a beauty puff. So there's difference between a beauty sponge and a beauty puff. So the beauty puff is the regular one we use to set our under eyes with our setting powder, but I use it in applying my foundation. But guess what, guys? I found out that this gives the full, like it gives the most coverage when used with a full coverage foundation. And I also noticed something, guys. This beauty puff actually gave my foundation a glowy, hydrating finishing. Remember, guys, I'm using same foundation on my face but different tools to apply it. But I noticed on this side, the beauty puff gave the side I applied it with foundation a satin glowy finishing, like it's super hydrating. I'm going to move back so you guys see. One thing I've noticed about beauty sponge is when you use it to apply a foundation that has skincare infused in it, it soaked up the skincare in it and just give you like a matte finishing, and that is what it did here. But the beauty puff gave me nice hydrating finishing. So guys, let me know what you think down in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.